Unlock success with the 80-20 rule. Pareto principle explained. What is the Pareto principle, 80-20th rule? The Pareto principle states that 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. 80% of revenue comes from 20% of customers. 80% of success comes from 20% of tasks. 80% of problems come from 20% of causes. This rule helps you focus on what truly matters for maximum results. Formula: 80% of outcomes equals 20% of inputs. How to apply the 80-20 rule. Business: identify the top 20% of clients bringing in 80% of revenue. Productivity: prioritize the 20% of tasks that yield 80% of your success. Learning: focus on the 20% of concepts that provide 80% of knowledge retention. Time management: cut the 80% of distractions and double down on the 20% that drive results. Examples: entrepreneurship. A clothing brand notices 20% of products bring in 80% of sales. The smart move: invest in those bestsellers. Studying. Instead of reading an entire book, focus on the key 20% of information that brings 80% of understanding. Fitness. Instead of spending hours at the gym, focus on compound exercises, 20% of workouts, that bring 80% of muscle growth. Time management. 80% of your distractions come from 20% of things, cut them. Why it works. Boosts efficiency. Eliminates wasted time. Maximizes impact with less effort. Focus on high-impact activities and see results skyrocket. Action step. Identify the top 20% of your efforts bringing 80% of results. Double down on those key areas. Eliminate the 80% of distractions wasting your time. Master the 80-20 rule and transform your productivity today.